Testing run of Zhongtuo 3 tons hydraulic decoiler with loading car for Russia client. Specially customized for our client in Russia. This decoiler is designed for stable, high-precision coil feeding in cold roll forming lines. With optional capacities of 5, 8, 10 tons, we offer flexible solutions for various production needs. The decoiler supports material widths of 0 to 450 millimeters and coil inner diameters from 470 to 530 millimeters. The high-strength inner shaft is made from seamless steel tubing, machined for maximum durability and load-bearing capacity. As shown in the video, the coil loading car moves smoothly forward and backward, positioning the coil with precision. The hydraulic inner shaft expands and shrinks automatically to grip the coil securely. The lifting stroke of the coil car is 705 millimeters, and the travel length is 2.5 meters. Suitable for a wide range of coil sizes. This unit features dual control options via both remote controller and on-site control panel, offering convenient operation. To prevent coil damage during handling, the coil car platform and tensioner are fitted with anti-scratch rubber pads, ensuring surface integrity of your raw materials. Zhongtuo hydraulic decoiler line is designed with safety, efficiency, and accuracy in mind, making it a perfect fit for automated and high-speed roll forming lines.